Sorry. Give him the invoice to read. The police, I'm sure the police can read them. I'm sure the police can read and write. Please read the invoice.
Evening, officer.
You alright?
No, not really.
Oh, hello.
So,
Okay, hello. How are you doing?
so basically, I've had a problem with my iPad. I use it for work. I've got some very sensitive information on there.
Yeah.
I had a problem with my iPad this morning. I've looked up Google and I've seen these guys. They're registered an iPad. I mean, the Apple, whatever. Not. I've come here. I've said to the guy, listen, I've got sensitive information on here. It's a minor problem. There's no screen crack or anything like that. Yeah. And he's like, oh, they're doing a diagnostic. If it's a simple thing, you'll get it back today. I said, it's obviously a simple thing. So I said, like, it's going to come back today. And he's like, yeah, we'll do a diagnostic. And he took my WhatsApp, so I've gone. I've WhatsApped him. I said to him, listen, my other iPad had a similar problem and the screen's come back on.
Yeah.
So it's obviously a minor issue. He's not replied to me. So I'm thinking to myself, he tells at 7. And I told him I had shit on there. So I've texted him and I said, listen, I'm coming down now. Let me get 6:45 and then to grab my shit. So I'm saying, listen, go and get my iPad, go like cancel it. I paid him £80 for fucking diagnostic on an iPad. Yeah. I said, listen,
you've already paid.
Yeah, I'm saying, just bring my fucking iPad back. And he's like, and then the boss gets on the phone, talking, I've got 5 shots, blah, blah. Listen, I know what it is, they're con people. I told you I've got sensitive shit on there. Okay, I'm not even saying I've got on there.
Late. Closing time is 7:21.
You got a choice, get my iPad.
I told you that. You did accept that.
What?
I told you wait outside, I will go, I will get it.
Bro, I'm not waiting outside for you to never come back.
How can I trust my shop to you? How? You're aware that our business says want to do working days, you're aware, you signed everything and now you're saying this.
Listen, don't try and twist it around. Did you say to me it's going to have a diagnostic? Did you say that?
Yes, I told you. Anyhow, our business says
no. Finish, let me finish. Did you say to me that you did a diagnostic and you let me know whether you need to keep it overnight or you can fix it straight away? Did you say that or not? So obviously your boss is saying now, gentlemen's conversation don't mean shit. Well, you know, it does mean something, right? And your Google's going to find out as well, because like I said, I'm going to pep up your Google as well.
That's totally alright.
Yeah, I know it's alright. How can it not be alright? How can it not be alright? But like I said, you've got the wrong guy. I must look like an idiot to you, but you've got the wrong guy. You've got the fucking wrong guy, I'll tell you that. Serious. If you didn't call him, how do you know it's open? That's all I've been saying to you. Because you're just bullshitting. That's why I'm saying you not keep my iPad overnight. That's why I'm saying that. Because you're unfucking trustworthy. You're unfucking trustworthy. And if your boss was here, I would want to see his face. Because if anything happens, there will be ramifications.
Just a minute. If you try to understand me, you are in our shop. It is my boss shop. And you are talking disrespectful with me and with my boss. This is not allowed. If you want to it's allowed. You can speak whatever you wanted, but outside the store. If you wanted to speak pro-life, be here. Or else, if you wanted to speak disrespectful, don't be respectful in my shop. Okay? You are being in my shop and you are scolding us.
Sanjay, sorry, Sanjay, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, just ask the police to hurry up.
Okay, sir.
Alright, thank you.
Yeah, it's a closing time actually.
What?
It is a closing time.
This is. No.
If you just want to speak, if you want the iPad, you can speak with me. I have options for you.
No. Listen.
Yeah.
What you saying? I can get my iPad now.
No. If you wait here outside, one option. I will try to get it from the technician. Actually, we will not allow this. But if you want your iPad now, just wait outside. Let me go.
Listen. I told you I've got specific information there. This has to be recorded because if you guys do anything to my iPad,
definitely
like I said, you guys are obviously caught. What are you doing with it? You'll see. Over iPad, you want to be stupid. Yeah? Let them come play that bad boy stuff with me. I'm not from fucking South London. You see. Show what East London is about. That's what it's true. Yeah? Simple fucking thing, and it took up telling me, can I read? Can I read, yeah? Cool. So those are the options you're talking about.
If you just wait outside, I will go and get it from the technicians. Or else you can get it back earliest in the morning. That is the best I can do. Because the thing why we are
Why can't the technician bring it down?
sorry,
Why can't the technician bring it down?
he will not.
Ronaldo.
He will be here by tomorrow.
No, we need to win the World Cup. Ronaldo.
But like I said, you're making everything difficult.
Because they will not be
You're making
after
it-
7.
You're making it everything difficult.
Sanjay, just wait for the police to get there. That's the best thing to
Shut
do.
up, you prick. Fool. What happened to all the bad boy talk? Fucking arsehole. I've got 5. Fucking prick. You see, he's such a bad boy. Some South London is going to come around showing what time it is, yeah? Alright? Alright? And leave where? Quick to take my money. I should have told you, should have warned you. I see you there looking at me like I'm an idiot. I should have warned you with that dumb look on your face. I should have warned you to look at who you're talking to. I should have warned you. But I'm thinking, oh, this is not that shit. But you guys think you're bad down here? Alright? You guys think you're bad down here? I own 5 shops, you think I give a shit? Alright, cool. Cool. I own 5 shops. Blah, blah, blah. Fucking man. Alright? How long will it take to go and get my iPad? Have you called him?
At least enough. He will not be here.
Have you called him? Have you spoken to him?
Definitely not.
Have you spoken to him?
No.
So you don't know what shit my iPad is in? So you're just chatting shit then, so you're just waffling?
We will not do that.
You do not do what?
We will not change your iPad. We will not make your iPad work. So it is just, it might be open. It is open. He is diagnosing it. And
What I'm saying
we
is,
are closed
if you didn't
now.
call him,
We are closed
if you didn't
now.
call him, how do you know it's open? That's all I've been saying to you. Because you're just bullshitting. That shit I'm working. So for a start, I'll tell you now, any shit that goes missing, any shit I lose out to find that iPad, trust me, like, there'll be repercussions, consequences and repercussions. Right? Yeah, if your big man boss thinks he's hiding behind the camera, you know you're not. You know your only business is you're not hiding anywhere. So like I said, go on, think I'm a victim of fraud, yeah? Train me. Fucking train me. Fucking train me. With my fucking iPad back, and anything she said, if anything happens to any of my shit, trust me, remember you guys very clearly. Very clearly. Fucking clowns. Can I win? Say that on the other end of the phone. Say it on the other end of the phone. Don't say that in my presence, man. Seriously, 'cause I'm not going to jail for some prick.
Sanjay, just wait for the police to come. Just wait
Shut
for
up,
the police
you
to come.
prick. What area was it?
I don't know.
Pardon?
I will not declare all those details. My boss said to me, I will just share us.
Seriously. I've just seen you got shops in Shoreditch, yeah? I've just
Yeah.
seen. I've just seen. Tough guy, cool. Cool. I'll teach you who not to fucking try to work. Alright, we'll see. Fucking idiot. I bet you don't even talk anymore, man. Seriously.
In my premises.
Fucking little cheap crook. Dumb pricks like you don't know who not to fuck with. Dumb pricks like you.
Is that what you
rob
think?
everyone. You rob everyone.
Is that what you think? Rob you for what? £80? My light bulbs cost more than £80.